Hello, my name is Brian and I'm a technical support engineer here at ScreenMeet. In today's video, we'll be covering the ScreenMeet Cobrowse application. The Cobrowse application is a JavaScript-based website screen sharing solution. It requires no download for the end user or the assisting agent and allows both parties to view and interact with the same page. Sensitive fields such as passwords and banking information can be masked to prevent the agent from seeing this sensitive information. The Cobrowse platform allows agents to assist customers or end users in both troubleshooting capacity as well as sales capacities to improve conversion rates and customer experiences. In our example today, we'll be simulating a session where our customer has some questions about a device that we sell on our webpage. This session may originate from an ongoing chat conversation, phone conversation, email chain, or other communication method used by your organization that is initiated by the customer or the end user. To begin, we will simulate a customer and agent experience by having our customer start an omnichannel chat session. Our customer has opened the chat with us and they are inquiring about a product on our webpage. We have determined that due to the nature of the question, we should start a ScreenMeet Cobrowse session to provide a better customer experience and to assist the customer with their purchase. On the right side of our current page, you'll see the ScreenMeet Tools widget. Your organization may have the Tools widget placed elsewhere on the page or have it embedded within a separate tab, as this is customizable by your administrator. To create a session, you may click on the Start Cobrowse Session button. Before I proceed with creating the session, I will enable recording so that the Cobrowse session can be reviewed at a later time. Please note that these settings may vary for your organization, as this is customizable by your ScreenMeet administrator. Once I have created the session, you'll see the session is named after the ongoing chat transcript name. The customer can join the session by utilizing a pin that we send them or by using a link that the agent sends them. To proceed, I will provide our customer instructions on how to join the session and the associated unique pin for this session. Once the end user has entered the pin on our website, we can click on the Join Session button. We will now be able to see their view of the current web page that they are browsing on. When the end user or customer moves from page to page, the Cobrowse session will follow their view until the session is closed. To the right of the displayed web page, our agent has various tools that they may use to best assist their customer. These tools can be collapsed by clicking on the arrow or detached by clicking on the square icon to the right. Please note that before moving forward, a majority of the functionality that we will discuss is able to be customized or disabled. The features available within your organization will depend on how your ScreenMeet administrator has configured your organization. To begin, the first feature offered is a laser pointer. This functionality highlights the agent's cursor with a red dot. This function gives more visual context to the customer when the agent is walking them through their issue or question. The next function is similar to the laser pointer, and that is the highlighter function. This allows the agent to draw on the customer's screen to point their attention to a particular area of the web page. The agent can clear their drawings and change their drawings based on their needs. Remote control allows the agent to control the page on behalf of the customer or the end user. This can be helpful in cases where the customer needs further guidance or help when navigating the page. The customer must first grant remote control permissions prior to the agent being able to control their page. The screenshot function allows the agent to take a screenshot of the page. This can be helpful when the content of what is currently on the customer's screen needs to be referenced at a later time by the agent or a higher level of support. The unlock scrolling option allows our agent to scroll independently from the customer without the customer seeing that we are scrolling up and down on the page. The video chat function allows the agent to start a voice or camera-based chat session with their customer or end user. Please note that this function only appears if your organization has purchased and has access to the ScreenMeet Live product. System information allows the agent to view the customer or end user's browser, browser version, and operating system information. This information is saved to the Salesforce case if it is needed at a later date. The View or Invite Agents function allows the agent to invite other agents to the session. This can be helpful in swarming use cases or when a higher tier of support, escalation, or session transferring is required. The File Transfer function allows the agent and customer to transfer files between each other. This is configurable and is able to be bidirectional, agent to customer, or customer to agent depending on your organization's needs. The last section within the Cobrowse application is the advanced settings, which allows the agent to change their language localization to one of many supported languages. Once we have resolved the customer inquiry, we can close out the Cobrowse session and move on to our post-session review. The agent will see a post-session feedback screen that allows them to leave their feedback about their ScreenMeet experience within this session. Once we refresh our chat incident page, we will see that our ScreenMeet files component now contains screenshots, transfer files, and recording of the session. This recording can either be downloaded or viewed within the widget. To learn further information about this session, we can scroll down where our Salesforce administrator has created a related list that includes this session. Once we have loaded our ScreenMeet session object, we can see various pieces of metadata about the session that just took place. We can click View All underneath the session log to view granular data about all actions that took place within this session. To the right of the ScreenMeet session, we also see metadata such as the duration, session ID, session creator, and more. This data is able to be interacted with by your Salesforce administrator to create reports and dashboards to measure your support and sales objectives when using ScreenMeet Cobrowse. This concludes the ScreenMeet Cobrowse and Salesforce agent training. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions, as we would be happy to assist. Thanks and have a great day.